Well, we have with us Arjun Kapoor in a new avatar. He's the National Brand Ambassador of Earth Hour 2014. Wonderful to have you on Bollywood Hungama once again.
Thank you for having me.
And I believe this is the first time you're being a brand ambassador for anything.
Yes, this is my first, hopefully of many, and for a good cause like this, I would go out on a whim. Yes, so I'm really happy and excited that they chose me. They were very persistent that they wanted me, and I realized that's what matters the most, when you can make a difference and somebody wants you to go out there and make a difference. I'm really happy to be a part of it.
In fact, we saw a different avatar of you today when you were talking, and a lot of serious stuff. You spoke about the entire conservation and all that stuff, which is a new sort of Arjun Kapoor, I'm sure.
Actually, ulta
for me,
aapke sath, with you, it's still we managed to bond over films, and because I've always loved being on Bollywood Hungama, so and cinema brings out the fun side in me. But normally people say मैं बहुत serious हूँ और smile बहुत कम करता हूँ. So today was me being my old self technically, but for you and for most people who see Bollywood Hungama, that's a somber, serious side. But I am like that as a person. I mean, given an opportunity, we are young, so we don't get so many platforms to speak at a serious level all the time. This was one opportunity and I grabbed it. If you can make a difference, then why not?
I think the amount of the way you spoke about water conservation and electricity conservation, somewhere it came very naturally to you, because somewhere you practice that in
yes,
real life.
Yes, of course, and it's something that's been taught to me from a very young age. And that's what's important. I think today it's not about present, it's about planning for the future. So our parents, our relatives, our friends teaching us, and we can carry that information and pass it forward. That's very important. It's not only about conserving, it's about living in a proper way, where you can be respectful towards the resources provided to you naturally and don't misuse them. So if you can educate enough people, they will pass that information forward. So अगर आप किसी को देखोगे कुछ गलत कर रहा है, you can tell them ये मत कीजिए, इससे हमारे अर्थ का नुकसान हो रहा है, हमारे रिसोर्सेज का नुकसान हो रहा है और वेस्टेज हो रही है, then they'll understand. I mean, recycling, water, stuff like that, it's all long term. It's not for us. It's for our future generations that will come in handy. What we do today, they will reap in the future.
This is the 6th time that this Earth Hour is going to be happening in India, and people like Aamir Khan, Ajay Devgan, Vidya Balan, they've been associated with with this in the past as national brand ambassadors. So that puts you in the similar league. How do you feel about that?
Well, I think they're being good citizens. They're being part of the movement. More important, the movement is above all of us, and I'm sure they all will feel the same way. And I'm sure they also come from the same thought process about influencing people. It's not so much about being the brand ambassador, or it's more about getting eyeballs and getting this information passed on to as many people as possible. So if you can use your value or your brand value or your equity to do good things, then you must.
Okay, and what exactly are you doing on March 29th between 8:30 to 9:30? That's
as of right now, we are supposed to be in Lucknow, if I'm not mistaken. And if I'm coming back and if I'm back at home, I will make sure we switch off. My sister does it every year, and I follow whatever she says because she's the boss of the house. It's always been the case. And if I'm not at home and wherever I am, I will make sure that it's done. The lights are switched off. I mean, you can't influence a hotel beyond a point, but if you're outside in a place where you can influence it, I will make sure. And I will keep passing this message forward. It's not about, for me, this was not about that 1 hour. It's about 60 plus. So it's about, this is the minimum you should do. But beyond that, every day for the rest of your life, you should follow it. It's not about कि एक बार करके भूल जाओ, फिर फायदा नहीं होगा. Do it once, feel good about the fact that you've done something for your country, for your people, for the world, and keep continuing with it.